TOOLTOP thermal imaging camera. For orders, please check video description. This is the video you must watch. Thermal imager multimeter twin, one touch screen, 2.8 inches, ED 12S, and data transfer details. Okay. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thermal imaging multimeter, pixel comparison, touch screen. Okay. So if you want to buy this product, please check video description. 59% discount. This is the actual price. After 59% discount, this is the discount price. Okay, already 183 sold. Okay, 13 reviews. TOOLTOP company thermal imaging camera multimeter 2.1 2-in-1 thermal imager, 2.8 inches touch screen, IR camera, solar circuit, and automotive detect. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. So thank you so much for watching this video.